Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I'm going to show you OpenArena on the SpacemiT K3 RISC-V Pico ITX. Now I was trying to get IO Quake 3 working, but so far I wasn't really successful with that. So for now I just settled on OpenArena, which is based on the Quake 3 engine. And well, actually you can just install it by doing sudo apt install OpenArena. So you can see that we're running on the SpacemiT K3 Pico ITX, running Bamboo 4.0 and kernel 6.18.3. So yeah, it is possible to show the frames per second like this in the game console, and well, it shouldn't be necessary to run it like this, but if for some reason you get an OpenGL error, yeah, you can tell it that it should prefer OpenGL ES, because at the moment we don't have proper OpenGL support. So again, starting it like this should be enough, but just in case. So yeah, I had some issues running it full screen. Well, not running it itself, but as soon as I quit, then I only got like a blue screen. Not a blue screen of death, but just like a dark blue screen, and I had to do a forceful reset instead of a graceful shutdown. So I'm running 1600 by 900, and I think the rest is default. It's not really rendering everything correctly, but it looks playable, but there are some glitches. So let's bring it on. So with the game console, oh, you can do it like this. Okay. So yeah, like I said, there are some glitches here and there, but well, I think we're mostly around 60 FPS. Sometimes we have a little drop, but looks playable to me. So yeah, I will continue trying to get IO Quake 3 working properly. Not sure if that will be possible, but yeah, we'll see in the future. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.